Greetings. Welcome to the Life Path series. This is for those who want to discover their life path number as well as the tarot correlation to that number. So, if you don't know how to calculate your life path number, you can find my how to find your life path number on the channel, and it'll also be linked in the description. I also have these very simple basic steps written down here, which is, it's easier than you think. Just take the single digits of your birth year and add that to the single or double digits of your birth month, and add that to the single or double digits of your birthday. If we add those numbers all together, we should get the numbers 2, 11, 20, 29, 38, 47, 56, 65, and 74 for your life path number to be a 2 or the life path 11. Now, I put master number 11 in parentheses because the master numbers carry a bigger energy. If we don't live up to the potential energy found in the 11 number, then we would resonate more with a 2 when it comes to having a master number 11. Traditionally, the life cycles, and according to numerology, cycle in 1 through 9, but as we go through our journey and complete it, which is a 10, we now are able to share everything that we have learned, ended the cycle, and, spread enlightenment and illumination and truth to the collective. That is why 2 is also about, sharing and giving and choices and judgment and things of that nature. So if you are a life path 11, you would also resonate with life path 2. So these are the tarot cards of the life path number 2 and life path number 11. Now, for the life path 2, there are really only 2 numbers that would give you a life path number 2, which is 2 and 20/2. All the other cards here are for the life path number 11. So starting off, we have the High Priestess. And if you did the calculations and found you have the life path number 2, or as only a single digit 2, then the High Priestess is your card. The High Priestess is a card about gestation, similar to the Empress. It's about form building power within the own human vessel. Another word for this is intuition. The curtains in the background connect the pillars of light and darkness. The High Priestess sits patiently in the middle, waiting for the conscious and the subconscious to connect so that she can read what is written on the scroll. If we look a little bit closer, the vines and fruit in the background are also symbolic of what's the word is fruitful. That's why there's fruit in the background. But if we also look, the scroll here is halfway hidden. So even the High Priestess doesn't know everything. It's the divine who has the final say. We have a moon here on her robes of white, which represent purity. The moon is about things that are hidden as well as the subconscious. So that is the life path 2. If your life path is 11-2, Justice is your card. Justice is, well, Libra energy. It is the scales of karma. It is the law of cause and effect. It's also about overcoming the errors of the past. This card is like Libra, it's the house of cooperation through love. Now, let's take a look closer at the Justice card as we have the scales of balance here. There are 7 straight lines that connect the scales, 3 here and 1 straight across. Those lines are representative of the 7 chakras as well as the 7 original planets: Mercury, the moon, Venus, Jupiter, Mars, Sun, and Saturn. This card is for the life path 11-2. For the life path 22, Judgment is your card. Now, this card has a lot going on. We have Gabriel blowing the horn of truth, which shows that it's Judgment Day. It's the day where we are able to discern the truth from the false. This card is about wisdom and getting clarity. It's about coming into realization that oneness is the only reality. So as you travel on your soul's journey, you would have a more conscious and aware depiction of what is going on around you. The original tarot card spelled the word loose in the arms of the woman and the child, and the man here, Lux. Now, lux means light. So, light, of course, brings, cast out the dark. That is judgment. The coffins are about our human body arising from the depth of consciousness. So on this card is a heavy energy because it's, major arcana. It's judgment, Judgment Day. It's truth, it's clarity, it's the subconscious and conscious and superconscious mind coming together as oneness, which is the Trinity. That is what this card speaks of. The Three of Wands is your card if your life path is 2911. The Three of Wands is a card about learning as well as, giving help, finding commercial opportunities with the land in the background. It's searching and seeking a fruitful land to prosper in. The figure here is holding on to one wand for security as they gaze out into the hidden realms of the subconscious. The ships in the background are about, travel, venturing out. So your life path number of 2911 is about going forth and gaining insight and clarity about other lands. That is the Three of Wands. Here we have the Queen of Cups, which is for the life path number 3811. The Queen of Cups is cup energy. So cups represent water, which is Cancer, Pisces, and Scorpio. The Queen of Cups is more of a Cancer energy, as Cancer is the mother of the other zodiac signs, and she lovingly gazes at this cup, which shows all the other zodiacs surrounding it. It is sort of like clairvoyance. It's her seeing clearly and peering into all the other children that she, takes care of. It's a card of marriage and rewards. The red and blue robes are a blend of the conscious and subconscious mind. There is a cherub, a little baby angel that hides underneath her throne, but it is really guarding and protecting her at all times. So that is the Queen of Cups. Moving on, we have the Seven of Cups for the life path number 4711. The Seven of Cups is a card of options and separation and discernment. The cups hold different gifts and tests while you journey on your, pathway. The seven cups are somewhat like the seven deadly sins. The original meaning of each of them is vanity, fame, ego, illusion, jealousy, frivolity, and glamour. They all sit on clouds as they are imaginary and simply are worldly desires that have no real value. The Two of Swords is for life path number 5611. The Two of Swords is a card of decisions, balance, cooperation. The white robes show purity, while the blindfold is not seeing things clearly. With the black hair, it also is symbolic of darkness. So there is a bit of innocence because we're not seeing the path ahead because we're blocking the way. There's a decision that needs to be met. In the background, we have the moon as well as the ocean, showing the subconscious mind and what is underneath the surface. That is the Two of Swords. The King of Pentacles is for life path 6511. The King of Pentacles is a very stable, grounded energy. On the throne sits Taurus energy, and we can kind of see a knight's armor peeking through his robes. The King of Pentacles is definitely not afraid to get up off that throne if necessary, like the Knights of the Tarot. So that is depicted here as he's showing off a little foot there, ready to boot somebody who thinks he won't get up. Yeah. The King of Pentacles is a king, so he holds a scepter, representing power and authority. The coin, he keeps, very good track of his pentacles. And the robe has grapes, similar to the High Priestess card, showing fruitfulness and prosperity. That is the King of Pentacles. The Six of Pentacles is the last card in our series. If you did the calculations and found your life path was 7411, the Six of Pentacles is giving, gifts, sharing, and equal balance, a give and take. The man in the middle represents a master, and on either side of him is a choice, really. He can either give or take as he holds the scales of balance, but this is a card of pentacles. So it's about giving or taking material possessions. Another insight about this card is that, well, with either figure on the side of him, it's an opposite to the master. When one side is neglected, that results in carelessness. So it's very important to make a choice to balance the situation when necessary. So again, I'm going to go through the cards quick here. So if you are a life path 2, just the single digit, the High Priestess is your card. 11-2 is Justice. Judgment is 22. The Three of Wands is 29-11. Queen of Cups is 38-11. Seven of Cups is 47-11. The Two of Swords is 56-11. The King of Pentacles is life path 65-11. And again, the Six of Pentacles is 74-11. So if you gained any information or insight from that, or just watched it because you want to learn more about tarot, I appreciate it. And if you want to dig deeper into your numerology chart, you can always reach out to me at mindover.com. And I hope you enjoy the video and stay tuned to the rest of the cards in the Life Path series here.